Hi, I'm Andrea.
And I'm Luca.
Our keys are something that we use every single day.
At least 2 times a day, which turns out to be 700 times a year minimum.
Everyone, including us, thinks that keys have already problems that need to be solved.
So we decided to take this seriously and to find a solution that would be affordable for everyone.
There are already other solutions in the market, of course, but many of them are still bulky and hard to use.
That's why we spent months rethinking the way in which people carry the keys. And we think we came up with a brilliant idea.
We call it
Keychains. We spent months testing our product and we are finally ready to bring it to the market.
But to do this, we really need your support.
So please consider backing and sharing our project so that we can bring it to life.
As a supporter, you will get your own key at a very special price.
So thank you so much for watching this, and we hope you are excited as we are.
And now, please, go catch your key.
Wicked Lasers creates the most powerful lasers you can legally own. And the Nano is our most compact, high-powered laser ever. The revolutionary design in aircraft-grade aluminum makes the laser virtually indestructible, incredibly sophisticated and sleek, and small enough to slip into your pocket. Don't be fooled by its size, though. The Nano channels an incredible amount of power into just 6.6 inches. The Nano creates a beam that's intense enough to burn and powerful enough to point out individual stars in the sky. A digital microprocessor enables dual operating modes, constant on and momentary, giving you complete control over your beam. The Nano is a Class 3B laser, which is why it comes complete with removable key and remote interlock for maximum safety. Everyone dreams of power. Few achieve it. For true laser power in the palm of your hand, you gotta get wicked.
I'm Davin from SanDisk Product Marketing. Let me show you how to connect your wireless stick to an existing Wi-Fi network. Connect to your device and open the mobile app. Select the menu button and click Internet Connection. Click Connect the drive to Wi-Fi network. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to join. Once complete, you'll see a success message. Congratulations!